You feel me? Oh yeah, they gotta see what's going on.
Let the vlog see what's going on.
Y'all see what's going on? Look, show them the belt though. Show them the quality of the belt. 100% genuine leather. Look, they gotta see the emboss on the inside. Show you your size and all that.
Oh yeah, bro, you shitted, bro.
They tripping. Your size in that. Look, they got the Marchio in there. You see the Marchio embossed in there?
Wait, the camera, I got it. Just tell them to make a deposit. Marchio Di Banche, I'll turn you to one of the flyers. I'm running my movie, they see I'm coming. I used to be humble, I'm done being quiet.
Just got that text. They know what the fuck going on. Tripping. What? We ain't gonna play. We is not gonna play, you hear me? We is not gonna play. We gonna get money. Y'all trip. Pack shit. My heart just started racing when I got that text. What?
Uh-oh.
Oh my God. They tripping so that. What's going on, man? Dang. Oh shit. What are you talking about? Damn, I'm shaking this shit. What the fuck? Damn. Let me sip my coffee. I got roll up. Damn.
What's going on?
Feel me? Hold on, let me get this.
Oh my, you're live too. Hey. I'm on everybody live right now. Yeah, they said we about to freestyle in the studio. Oh, we not doing no freestyling.
You hear me?
They told me, what's up with the music? I should not got on live.
Oh, they said what's up with the music?
I should not got on live, bro.
Just trust the process, yo. You hear me?
I'm getting some money right now.
Yeah, that's what we want.
We want to see the belts.
Y'all want to see these belts?
Yeah. Drop the boxes if y'all want to see something.
Yeah, we need some box emojis. Y'all give me the box emojis, we gonna open the box. You hear me?
Ew.
I'm gonna go ahead and drink my orange juice. I'm waiting for you.
I got a coffee.
I want to see these box emojis. Yeah, Levi, tell them put them. Yeah, come on. We need them box emojis. You heard me? We ain't doing nothing until we get them box emojis. Who that? Cooler, what's up, Brody?
Alright, we about to start opening shit.
Yeah, we could start opening this shit up.
I want to see too. I'm excited like everybody.
You feel me? Hey.
Can you even smoke on TikTok live?
That's what I'm saying. The way they acting, you hear me?
Fucking drunk.
They might treat us.
I don't give a fuck.
This is for personal use only. What we gotta say that?
Not for sale.
Yeah, this is not for sale.
This shit not for sale. They said we didn't say roll up on the bike.
Oh yeah, you watch this, bro. Wait till you see. Watch this, bro. What do you say?
Bro, we all excited, gang.
They excited?
Literally.
Alright, they gonna hold up.
I'm
Like,
excited too. I'm shaking.
yeah. I get my nerves together, yo. This shit, dang.
Back this shit get like that. Y'all should have seen my baby. He almost went through the door trying to get the package. He didn't open the door yet. He was about to go face first into the door, y'all. Like, he ain't even turn the knob yet. Nigga was Gary bang his head into the door trying to get outside. Like, I can't make this shit up. He fucking tweet.
I got that text. I had anxiety attack.
What?
Man.
I never seen him get that hyper before.
What?
Like, what? He blacked out.
Shit.
Come on, slack.
Alright, come on. You know I take forever to roll.
My shit done. He still
Yeah, facts. Bro said, I'm waiting. Facts, my fault, Brody.
They trying to see what's going on.
Yeah, they wanna know what's going on, you hear me? They like, alright, bro been going, he back way great, man. He got the biggest with him.
I ain't trying to give him too much.
Yeah.
Feel me?
At least show them your keychain. Let them see their keychain.
Yeah, they can see the keychain.
They can see a member's keychain.
They can can see the light shit. I ain't gonna give it to him.
Those for the members.
I got a little MDB chain.
Alright, give me 2 minutes, y'all, I promise. 2 minutes, we get active.
5 minutes later.
Damn, we vlogging too?
Yeah.
Hey! Yeah, we make sure it's just still doing what it's supposed to be doing. We vlogging too. New YouTube shit coming. That's hard. Bro, they bigging your ass right now.
What they saying?
She said she gave you 2 minutes 5 minutes ago.
Damn! Alright, back. My fault, yo. Alright, come on, we active. Let's go.
Get like that, the patch period.
Alright, let's get it. That's what's going on. Big Marchio boats, you hear me? They come in package, 100% genuine leather.
Yeah.
You hear me? Look, your buckle come. Look how your buckle come. That's wrapped up. You
Talk to her.
That's protected.
Talk to
You
her.
got protection on your shit. You hear me? Look, it's 100% genuine leather. You mean? Belt the ass. You hear me? Look how that shit go. Anybody got their ass whooped when they was a kid, they know what's going on. You hear me? Look. Oh, let me see. I can't even do it.
Show your live, bro. Show your live.
Like
Show your live, bro. Don't neglect them though.
Hey, look at my boy. Look at my boy. Nye, what's up, bro?
Look at
Tamir,
this nigga.
what's up, bro? Look at these. What's up, Brody?
His live jumping. Let's
We
go.
built the ass in these niggas, you heard me? Big Marchio belts. Look, you gotta peel the plastic off your Marchio belt. They come correct. They come correct. This ain't no bullshit. You feel me? Look. Now see what's going on? This your buckle. This your belt. You separate it. You know what I mean? Everybody get a glance.
Oh, let the vlog see it though.
You feel me? Oh yeah, they gotta see what's going on.
Let the vlog see what's going on.
Y'all see what's going on? Look, show them the belt though. Show them the quality of the belt. 100% genuine leather. Look, they gotta see the emboss on the inside. Show you your size and all that.
Oh yeah, bro,
feel
you
me?
shit it, bro.
They tripping.
You
Your
sick.
size in that. Look, they got the Marchio in there. You see the Marchio embossed in there?
Yeah, I been had one.
Yeah, Mac been had one. You hear me?
It's a little 2-piece biker set.
Little 2-piece biker set.
Please don't.
Yeah, like give me something else. Talk to me. This a luxury brand, man. Talk to me.
We got some streetwear too, but
Yeah, we got the streetwear too, but
we trying to come to trim. Yeah, you can't neglect the girls.
yeah, not at all.
They can do like little crop hoodies and shit. Like the little jobs sometimes that you be having, the hoodies that you do for the MDB shit.
Yeah.
You could get a crop joint for the girls, a fitted joint.
Yeah. That'd be hard. Like a his and hers type.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, you know what's going on.
Oh, you
right?
you going to show them some unreleased?
Yeah, we're gonna give y'all some unreleases real quick. You heard me?
Ew.
Y'all got me in that mood. Y'all just turned me all the way up. Oh, what'd she say? She said a bathing suit, some socks.
Some
Some
socks.
socks. What?
Oh,
You
what?
said
She said some
Yo, hold up. She just said some socks.
She said some socks. Hold up. Hold up.
You said some socks, girl?
Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
You talking about these?
These ones?
You talking about these ones right here?
These ones?
This what y'all talking
I
about?
can't hear.
You said some
What
socks.
she say?
She said socks.
I think perfect.
Tripping.
Perfect slack. We having socks. We having socks.
We having that shit. What color you want? Come get them.
You funny as
The link in my bio. You hear me? We got them. You tripping, shit. But keep going though. I like the bathing suit idea though.
Yeah,
I ain't
facts.
just going to neglect what you said. I definitely love the bathing suit
I told him
idea.
he should do some panties.
That was hard.
I said
Yeah, Max said I should do some panties. What y'all think? Would y'all buy some Marchio Di Banche lingerie? That's what I want to know.
I say some panties. Feel me?
You mean?
She gonna be trying to be sexy.
Mm-hmm. Y'all better make me get active. All right, so I'm ready to show you. Oh, what she say? Oh, they said, all right, now read the rest of them. My fault. Damn. Oh, yeah, they was getting active with us. Slack. Summer sets for the girls, like shirts and shorts or something. She said, you gotta get some really nice female jean jackets. That would be tough. Facts. What? I love denim. Anything denim. That's my favorite fabric. You heard me? Definitely could do the jean jackets. So for the females, would y'all want the jean jackets crop or y'all want them regular? I think the crop look would be hard. What y'all think? Some jerseys? Nah, we ain't mean to eat you up. Like, we wasn't on that. You heard me? Facts, we wasn't on that. She said, if you make the coochie part of some nice. Yo, she's boosting my shit on her.
What did she say?
She said, if you make the coochie part a nice size, because too many people making underwear with a tiny ass coochie part. Alright, so I got you. I'm gonna make it a big coochie joint. I'm gonna make sure I tell the manufacturer they gotta have a big coochie on it. You feel me? Alright, keep talking to me. What else y'all want?
Yeah, they boosting me.
Yeah, they boosting my shit right now. Alright, so
Where that little, let me get that little knife joint.
we going into with this next collection, we going into like a motorsport type of collection. It's the moto theme collection, you feel me? So we about to run with that. I'm about to show y'all the first piece we dropping from that collection though. It's a tee, it's an oversized tee. What y'all think about this? Mind you, y'all gotta bear it with me. Cause we on TikTok live, we on Mac live, we on my live, and we vlogging. So y'all gotta like bear with me, you feel me? That's what's going on. That's the Moto V1 tee. Got it on that chest. See what's going on? Y'all see what's going on? Moto V1 tee. Feel me? Y'all see it? Look, I'm gonna show y'all the details though. That's what I mean by details. If y'all pay attention, right? I just dropped a reel like an hour ago when I was making these, putting the tags and the woven labels on it. That's what I mean by details when I was saying creatives. Y'all gotta focus on your details, you feel me? And your customers' experience. That's what I was talking about. Look. See the tag? My tag's stitched in there. I ain't going nowhere, bro. Look.
Yeah.
I got the elastic bands on the bottom.
Oh boy, on that.
Feel me? Look. We got all that.
She said socks.
Heavy GSM. That's how we coming. I mean, look at the quality, bro. Look at my tags. I stitched them in there. Go watch the reel. Y'all wanna know what's going on? The tag in there. Look, Marchio, wash tag. See the deets? Man, look at the elastic band. We on it.
Facts.
Matt got an unreleased on.
Facts.
Yo, tripping.
I
Look,
got some unreleased.
unreleased. That's the blueprint tee. That's the blueprint tee. And it's a look, and it's on the back. See what's going on?
Details.
Hey, you got showing what's going on. Look, Marchio on the back. You mean? With the belt on.
With the belt.
And with the blueprint tees, it's a if you know, you know. You feel me? You gotta really know what's going on.
Facts.
To know where the blueprint came from. So one right there, I ain't even touching that. That ain't even on, you know? I can't even do that. They said, oh, they eating me up in her. They said, not the big Gucci, John. She didn't say big. She said nice size. All right, so what y'all mean by nice size? Do y'all mean it should be like wide? Like, explain to me. I'm trying to understand what y'all mean by that, so I can like get it right. I don't want to drop something and y'all be like, come on, Uncle Marchio. You feel me? She said, yeah, drop something like that for us. Like crop it, put the slit at the top. How we do it. Oh, like how y'all be cutting the top of y'all hoodies and shit, right? Yeah, that should be looking hard. I be liking that.
That's fire.
She said, yeah, I definitely think we should make like sports
can't wait to do shit,
boxers
so.
and panties. Shit would be hard. Alright, so I'm about to show y'all this too, right? We got another package. I didn't even know this was coming in. Alright, so at the beginning of 2024, right? Me and Mac sat down and had a meeting. We really spoke about it in 2023 and started implementing it. But like, it really like went into full effect 2024. We wanted to like up the marketing and like really give y'all experience when y'all shop with us. You feel me? Cause y'all members, so we consider y'all like family. So we want to show y'all nothing but the best love, give y'all the best customer support and the best quality we possibly can. You feel me? So we've been upping like our marketing products. Ooh, this looks good. Alright, so y'all know how the packages come and they be having like the gift wrap paper and all that, right? We got the Marchio paper. I'm gonna show y'all a sheet of it.
Oh shit.
Feel me? That's what's going on.
That's
This coming in the packaging.
Mmm.
Feel me?
That shit smell like money.
Facts. MDB on there. Man. That's what we on. Slides. Spring, summer. Just wait for it. We working though.
About the ass eating. Wait, how you supposed to know what size it is?
I got
That's
the-
Chinese.
I got the chart in my phone. You tomorrow, cause that's Chinese.
Facts.
Facts.
I can hear it, cause I don't.
Alright, this one on.
That shit is Chinese.
Yeah, facts. Yeah, I got the chart. I got the conversion
Bro,
chart.
you fuck with my belt. Thank you.
Look, we on that.
Yeah.
On that.
They fuck with my belt. I told you gotta do it red.
He said
line.
February 14th for the belts. Little bro told me to do that.
14. Bro got the
He
got
said
the
you got
belt on
slides too? I got Robbie
Yo,
now,
somebody
bro.
screen
Hey,
record
my
this
boy.
shit.
You feel me? Huh?
My baby is brown.
You
Don't worry
feel
about
me?
me.
You feel me?
He got it buckled.
I'm like, this is crazy. This is what's going on. Yo. Why you grabbing my waist?
Yo, y'all
She is crazy.
Yo.
She, she grabbing my waist and everything. She busting
Why
me.
he got a belt
The
on with
fuck?
the sweatpants though?
So I'm carrying. I'll put this shit on with anything. Y'all tripping.
It ain't hanging. He got that motherfucker.
Thank you, bro. Yeah, these shirts crazy, ain't they?
Crazy. Yo, bro, take the belt off, bro.
You know what I mean?
Yo, this nigga.
Matter of fact, and I'm tucking my shirt. That nigga's tripping. The fuck? You know what I mean?
He funny as shit. He just cooked me too.
I'm trying to show the niggas the belt. You know what I mean?
Yeah, he crazy. This was nice though. I fuck with this.
He said MDB swag, my God. Not a lot of people know you got that shit. With the flames, no that. Oh, like the Skims
Real
type vibe?
delicate,
Yeah,
yes.
facts, bro. Facts, bro. It's crazy, right? I got these samples for these white beaters made. They was like the Skims type vibe.
Yeah.
So they might be coming. He said long ass top papers. Nah, you crazy, bro. Nah, crazy. You know what I mean? He said, what'd you say? He got that shit on though. Facts, you feel me? Look, I'm coming trim, yo. It's true. Max said I'm burnt. Am I true?
He's burnt. Then I didn't even know he took the shirt. They don't even say all that.
I'm true.
Yeah, we having socks. What is she talking about? Socks. She said socks?
She said socks. She said y'all should do socks.
Why he got a belt on?
There's green corn. That's like,
It ain't hanging.
What you say?
He got that. Yo, y'all see
She
that?
is crazy.
Why he got a belt on with the sweatpants though?
So I'm carrying. I'll put this shit on with anything. Y'all tripping.
It ain't hanging.